In this tutorial, I'll show you how to anchor cells in Google Sheets so your rows, columns, or formulas stay fixed while you work. Start with the most common method, freezing rows and columns. Click on any cell just below and to the right of the area you want to keep visible. For example, if you want to keep the top row and first column in place, click the cell right after them. Then go to the View menu, choose Freeze, and select how many rows or columns you want to lock. Instantly, those sections stay visible even when you scroll. There's also a faster way. Look at the top left corner of your sheet where the row numbers and column letters meet. You'll see thin gray lines. Click and drag these lines down or across to freeze rows or columns exactly where you want. As soon as you release, your selected area becomes anchored and won't move while scrolling. Now, let's talk about anchoring in formulas, which is just as important. When you write a formula and copy it across cells, references usually change automatically. To lock a specific cell reference, you use the dollar symbol. For example, if you want to keep column A fixed, you write A. If you want to lock both row and column, you write A1. This ensures your formula always refers to the same cell, no matter where you drag it. This is especially useful for calculations like tax rates, constants, or fixed values that shouldn't shift. So whether you're freezing rows for better navigation or locking references in formulas, anchoring helps you stay organized and avoid mistakes in your spreadsheet. And that's it. You now know how to anchor cells in Google Sheets and make your workflow much smoother.